Welcome to BioTrack Training. In this module we're going to show you the health submission generator. We're not going to spend too much time on it because part of it's still in development, as you can see. The health submission generator allows you to put together a document to make a submission to your local health authority to receive permission to produce, say, a new product range or a new product group or an entirely different product. As you know, when you make an application to your health authority, or when you make a change to your operation, when you move your operation, when you alter the way you do any parts of your food production, you have to make a submission to your health authority to inform them what you've done and why you've done it. And this is a complicated business and it's time consuming. However, what we notice is that many health submissions contain a lot of duplicate information, so information about your company or information about your operation or the process flows are very similar from one submission to another. So we decided that it was a good idea to create a health submission repository or database where you could store documents about your health submissions, and you could reuse them to build new health submissions. So as I say, this is still in development, but it's due to be finished in the next month, but I'll just explain how it works. The maintain health submissions allows you to define a basic title for the health submission. So this is an initial registration, so you've never produced this product before, and it's for the production of sweet conserves. This is the author, and this is the farm operation that's involved in it. It's the conserves part of your company. Language is English. You can create any number of these. Let's just go back and look at the next point. Now this is the main business end of it. You can create a text, and we're going to associate this text with that submission, and let's just call the page summary, for example, corporate summary. I'm assuming that you all know how to make a submission. If you don't, we can point you at useful videos that teach you how to make a submission to your local health authority, and indeed the food safety authority will help you to create your own submission. There are many documents available for this. Corporate summary could be Hilltop Farm produces soft fruits. The proposal deals with the processing of these soft fruits into sweet conserves, and much more. So a description of your company, etc. And when you've picked the language and position in the document, you don't have to fix this right now, but you will have to fix it later. Is it a template? No, because it's not. In this case, it's not going to be used for other documents. It's unique to this one. And is it completed? No. Do you want to attach a document to it? So you may want to embed. In fact, you will have to embed documents from other sources. So in a typical health submission, you would have to embed the standards for packaging that you're going to use, the health certification from other ingredient producers that you are going to add. For example, in this case, you're going to buy sugar. You would have to attach somewhere in the document, not here of course, but somewhere in the document, the health certification for the sugar producer. And so this gives you the option to attach additional documents if you want to. Here, for example, packaging, you may want to attach a packaging standard to this document. Now in this case you wouldn't, but just to show you how it works, we'll do that. So we've now created a page, and when you've created several pages, you can then start putting them in the correct order. And what that will do is gradually, as you build up your submission, it will add the pages here. And the pages can be many pages long, and it will put them in the correct order. And in order to get your document into its final condition, you can move the pages around so that you can see the logical order in which we'll split them. There's a standard format for health submissions, and you can build a health submission that's completely compliant with this order. And the nice thing about this is that if you create a new health submission in the future, you don't have to write this corporate summary again. You've got it already. You can copy it, you can paste it into a new submission, and it saves you having to rewrite the same material again and again. It also helps you control the material that are in your health submissions, and it keeps a hard copy of this in your database. Finally, when you're ready, you can print each of these pages and compile your physical submission to send to your local health authority. So it's quite useful. It's not quite finished yet. It will be in the next month, and when it is, we'll let everybody know. That's the health submission generator. Thank you.